Dear children, welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in the previous class. In the previous class, we have learnt about two experiments. It was about air exerts pressure. With that experiment, we get to know that air pressure exists. So there is a pressure which is being exerted by the air. So how exactly air pressure controls the movement of air? Because movement of air is wind. So basically we are trying to see that how is wind related to air pressure. Now what happens? High speed wind is accompanied by reduced air pressure. Now this is a very important concept of air pressure. What do you mean by high speed wind? When air is moving, that is wind. What would determine the speed of the wind? The speed of the wind is nothing but the speed with which particles are present in the air moving faster. That is high speed wind. So these particles in the air, wherever they are moving very faster, it causes decreased in air pressure. It means high speed wind will always be accompanied by reduced air pressure.
Take two balloons, blow them and attach them to the string, and leave some distance between the balloon. At the same time, they should not be kept very far apart. Now, what you have to do? You blow hard in the space between the balloon. So, when you blow hard, what happens? The region in front of your mouth, there will be the movement of air. That region will have higher wind speed because the air will be moving very faster because you are blowing. Now, what happens due to this? When we blow, we see that the balloon tends to come closer to each other. So, as we blow, two balloons start coming near to each other. Now, the question is what causes these two balloons to attract with each other? That's because when we blow hard, basically the region between these two balloons, as you can able to see the arrow, this region wind speed is more. Now the region where wind speed is more, it will always be accompanied with low air pressure. Therefore the air pressure in this region is less. Why? Because here wind speed is more. So when wind speed is more, the air pressure is low. If we name them A, B and C. So region B comparatively have low air pressure. So air pressure in region B is less. But the air pressure in region A and C is high. So air will flow in this direction. Similarly, the air flow from this opposite direction. So as wind blows, what happens? It exerts pressure on the balloon, which makes the balloon also move in the direction of the wind. And as a result, they both tend to come near each other. So that is why this attraction happens between the balloon. Now let us see another example. Crumple a small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle. Hold the empty bottle on its side and place the paper ball just inside its mouth. Now, what you have to do, try to blow on the ball to force it into the bottle. You can try this activity with bottles of different shapes. Now, what happens when you blow into the mouth of the bottle? The air near the mouth has higher speed. So, as you know, this decreases the pressure there. The air pressure inside the bottle is higher than near the mouth. So, the air inside the bottle pushes the ball out. Now, let us see another example. Take a paper strip, hold it between the thumb and the forefinger, and bring it closer to your mouth. Now blow strongly over the paper strip. You will notice that the paper strip rises upward. Now, when you blow over the strip, the air above it moves. Moving air reduces the pressure above the strip. Thus, the air pressure below the strip becomes more than the air pressure above it. This lifts the strip upwards. So, this was the examples of high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure.
Dear students, today we have discussed that high speed wind accompanied by reduced air pressure. With the help of some examples and experiments, we have learned that high speed wind is accompanied by reduced air pressure. So dear students, please read the textbook and study the notes. I have already attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. And please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.